Dear students, today let us start with the new lesson, 10th lesson, that is material heritage. Our material heritage. So, first before going to start the lesson, as everyone know about some of the famous monuments and all etc. Yes or no? Did you visited any historical places, sir? Like some of the what you call ancient temples and all? After visiting, how you feel? You feel very happy, yes or no? So now in this lesson, let us learn about some of the historical places, about historical places and monuments, sculptures and all. Okay, now what is monuments here? What are monuments here? Monuments here, what are material heritage means what? Material heritage. Now what is material heritage here? Material heritage, it includes all historical things that exist in a physical form even today. Means your material heritage and TNT. Material heritage means it includes all the historical things. Historical things అంటే అప్పుడు పాతకాలంలో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో దాని గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయడం. మీన్స్ దాన్ని మనం విజిట్ చేసి చూసి దాన్ని డిస్కస్ చేయడం. That we call it as a historical things. Historical things means which we touch, we feel and we see those places. Yes or no? Historical places. And after seeing it, we feel very happy seeing that. Means in the olden days, how the people were living, how they were staying, what were their livelihood. Like that, we will come to know about them also by seeing that. Okay, next, the things that can be seen and touched and have historical importance are the part of our material heritage. And you already know that monuments, sculptures means what are material heritage here? Material heritage like monuments, sculptures, paintings, art crafts, books, weapons and tools inform us about our history. Means these things they inform us about our past history. అంటే పాతకాలంలో అప్పుడు ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళు ఏమేమి యూజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, దాని గురించి మనకు తెలిసిపోతుంది ఇవన్నీ చూస్తేనే. In this chapter you will learn about monuments, sculptures and paintings that form a part of our invaluable material heritage. Means in this lesson you are going to learn what about the history. About history means at the olden days what they used to do, how they used to paint and what form they used to do. Everything you are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, now first before going to discuss about that, first let us learn about the architecture. What is architecture here? Architecture. Architecture means Indian architecture has been shaped by different cultures. Indian architecture, it has been shaped by different culture. Different culture means each religion is having different culture. Yes or no? In the same way, in Indian architecture, it has been shaped by different cultures, religions and civilizations that flourished here in the past. Means in the past, this all they were following. And it has also been influenced by cultures from far off places in the world. That is why we can see a great variety in structures, designs and purposes of different monuments since ancient times. Means from the ancient times we can see some different monuments. When you visit some historical places, here each historical places is having different monuments. Different monuments according to their tradition, culture, religion. According to that only they were building the monuments and all. So this is all about architecture. Okay, to know about the architecture, see to know about the architecture, let us continue in the next class.